What if you discovered that you don't need heavy gyms, expensive equipment, or complicated routines to rebuild your body after 60? What if just 5 simple movements, easy, joint-friendly, and safe, could help you stay strong, balanced, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond? Sounds surprising, right? But stay with me, because if you're over 60, these 5 exercises might be the most important things you ever do for your body and your future. Exercise number 1, the plank. Let's begin with a move that quietly transforms your strength from the inside out. The plank may look simple, but it's one of the most effective total body exercises you can do. Your shoulders, your back, your glutes, they all wake up. But the main benefit? Your core. And your core is the foundation of nearly everything you do. Standing straight, lowering yourself into a chair, bending to tie your shoes, preventing back pain, even maintaining balance. Here's how to get it right. Lie on your stomach, place your forearms under your shoulders, elbows bent. Lift your body off the floor and hold a straight line from head to heels. No sagging, no arching. Tighten your stomach like you're preparing for a small poke. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. That's enough. You'll feel it working instantly. And the best part? Your core will improve quickly. If it feels tough at first, try the easier version. Keep your knees on the floor, but maintain that same straight line. Or try a side plank, lying on one forearm, lifting your hips, strengthening your waist, and improving rotational control. The plank teaches your body to stay stable, safe, and strong, something every adult over 60 needs. Exercise number 2, the chair-assisted hip hinge. Let's talk about your hips, because if there's one area that controls how you move through life, it's this one. Strong hips protect your back, improve walking power, and help you bend safely without straining anything. The hip hinge trains your body to bend at the hips, not the spine. Here's how. Stand in front of a chair, feet hip-width apart. Keep a gentle bend in your knees. Push your hips back behind you like you're reaching for a chair, but don't sit. Keep your chest lifted, back flat, and hinge forward slightly. You'll feel the back of your legs stretch. Then push through your heels to return to standing. Move slowly, and once you understand the pattern, you can add light dumbbells or even hold 2 water bottles. Later, when you're confident, you can progress to single leg versions. But start here. This exercise builds hip strength, protects your lower back, and teaches the safest bending technique for daily life tasks. Exercise number 3, wall push-ups. Let's be honest, traditional push-ups feel impossible for many people over 60. Sore shoulders, stiff wrists, tight joints, it's not fun. But wall push-ups give you all the upper body benefits with none of the stress. You work your chest, shoulders, arms, and even your core, all while keeping pressure low. To do them, stand an arm's length from a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your body straight, head to heels, and bend your elbows slowly, lowering your chest toward the wall. Pause, then push back. Start with 8 to 12 reps. Move with control. You'll feel it in all the right places. And the cool part? Wall push-ups build real-life strength, pushing heavy doors, supporting yourself when standing up, improving posture, stabilizing your shoulders. As you get stronger, step your feet farther back or even switch to countertop push-ups for a mild increase in challenge. It's progress at your pace. Exercise number 4, the horse stance. This one has been used for centuries to build strength, stability, and focus, and it works incredibly well for seniors. The horse stance strengthens your thighs, hips, glutes, and core all at once, without jumping or fast movements. It also trains your brain to stay balanced and steady, something extremely important as you age. Here's how. Stand with your feet wider than your shoulders, toes turned slightly out. Gently bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting halfway into a chair. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, core lightly engaged. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. As your strength improves, build up to 60 seconds. Hold a light book or weight for more challenge, but only when you're ready. This exercise boosts your leg strength dramatically, improves posture, and gives you stability that carries into every daily movement. Exercise number 5, the kettlebell deadlift. One of the safest and most beneficial leg and hip exercises seniors can do when done correctly. It trains the muscles that protect your spine, support your balance, and help you lift things in real life. Think picking up groceries, lifting a suitcase, or bending to pick something off the floor. This movement prepares you for all of that. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and a light kettlebell on the floor between them. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Push your hips back, just like the hip hinge, letting your upper body tip forward naturally. Grab the kettlebell handle with both hands, keeping your back flat and chest lifted. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and stand tall, bringing the kettlebell with you. Then reverse the motion. Hips back, spine straight, kettlebell lowered with control. Start with 6 to 10 reps using a very light kettlebell. This is not about heavy lifting. It's about teaching your body to move powerfully and safely. As you feel stronger, you can add a little more weight, but always keep form first. Why is this exercise so valuable after 60? Because it trains your hips and core together, helping you avoid back pain. It strengthens your legs without pounding your joints. It improves posture and gives you confidence in everyday movement. And yes, it's extremely safe when done slowly and correctly. That's your routine. 5 simple exercises that can make your body stronger, more stable, and more capable than it's been in years. You don't need a gym. You don't need long workouts. You need consistency and the right movements. Start at your pace. Build gradually, and remember, it's never too late to feel stronger, walk steadier, and age with confidence. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs it. And I'll see you in the next one.